What's up, fellow YouTubers? Mike here. Today is January 6th, 2014, and we're going through like a winter storm kind of thing without the winter storm part. We're just getting really cold temperatures, and they're saying that this is the coldest that the area that I live in has experienced, like within the last 20 years or so. So it's the perfect opportunity for a cold start. You might be getting 2 cold starts if I remember to do it tomorrow, and maybe even tonight when I get off of work. I'm getting ready to go to work now. I haven't started my car all day, and it's been sitting since 7 o'clock last night. It is now going on 3:30 in the afternoon the next day. So right now it is 3 degrees outside, and the wind chill makes it feel like 19 below. That's the latest, and it's only supposed to be getting colder tonight. By the time I leave work, which will probably be in about 4 hours because we're kind of slow today, I guess, it's supposed to be below 7, and within the next couple of hours, by 6 o'clock, which is a little over 3 hours from now, it's supposed to be 0. At 7 o'clock it's supposed to be below 2 degrees, and then probably by the time I leave work, which will be about 8 or 9, probably 8, it's going to be below 3. And by tomorrow morning, the coldest it's supposed to be, looks like it's going to be around 8 a.m. It's going to be below 6. Or 6 below, I should say. My apologies. So maybe we'll do another start tomorrow morning. So I gotta go. Let's go ahead and get this underway. For those of you who don't know, this is, it's frozen. Oh, that's not good. It's a 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. There we go. Got the 3800 Series 3 V6. And my oh my, it's cold. One of my tires is low, I know, and the one's just an error on the sensor. It says 10 degrees transmission temp, 2 degrees according to the car. And she's got 121,463 miles on her, and this is the amount of miles I've put on it since I've had it. Going on 3 years next month, actually. Or no, I'm sorry, at the end of March. So, being that it is, according to the car, 2 degrees outside, let's see how well she starts. Always pulls through in cold weather. Alright, well, it's been running for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, it's just now starting to warm up. But yeah, a couple of years ago, the battery was bad, so in this weather, it was not starting up well at all. And then I don't know, I had the battery replaced, and it seems to be okay. It needs a tune-up because it's starting to do a thing. It's been doing it for a few months where it's not actually starting up on the first try. So I'm gonna take care of that in the spring. I'm getting new plugs and wires for it. I know those of you have been asking me if I found a solution to that transmission problem. No, I haven't really done anything with it. It hasn't gotten worse. It just stays the same. A few people have told me that that could be related to the tune-up issue. So I'm gonna wait and see what happens when I get the tune-up. I might go ahead and have my mechanic do the transmission fluid and filter change as well. Not a fluid flush. He doesn't do flushes. He's just going to change out the fluid and the filter. So hopefully that'll also improve that as well. But I'm really beginning to think that just because of the way it has been running and been sucking down gas, it might be related to a tune-up issue. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna head to work now, and I'm gonna bring my camera with me. I'll leave it in my car, and since it's gonna be colder when I get out, we'll do another startup video, since the car is probably only gonna be sitting for about 4 hours. It's not gonna take long for me to get to work either. It's not even gonna, that ain't even gonna get to normal temperature range from how close I live to my job. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, well, it's a few hours later. I believe the temperature right now is -3, and the wind chill is close to 25 to 30 below, I believe. Let's see what the car says. One second. Still says it's 2. You can tell that really didn't warm up too much on my way here, so let's hold the door open. You can hear the wind. Started like it hadn't even been started today. All right, well, that's my cold start for you, and we'll see how if I'll do it tomorrow too. But at least I got 1 in, or 2 in, I should say. But one day. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. All right, fellow YouTubers. It's the next day, and going on 10:30 in the morning. We were at 5 below. The door's not frozen today, that's good. I don't really think it snowed much or anything. But it is really cold. It's been really windy. I don't even know offhand what the wind chill is, but I'm sure it's like probably anywhere from 20 to 40 below when it blows. The car says it's 0. Transmission temps at 4 below too. That's so weird to see that. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up. There we go. Pretty sure that was the power steering pump making that whine noise. Yep. It's the first time I've ever had that. So yep, there's that cold start. Definitely a lot colder now than it was yesterday when I started it. I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for a while. For those of you who've never actually seen this.
as an added bonus today, we're going to do this 99 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to put the keys in my pocket. I don't know if I can. Okay. Since it's inside, I really won't be able to. Maybe. Alright, here we go. Got a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder. So yeah, I gotta let this one warm up for a while. That's better. Alright. Well, those will probably be my only cold start videos for this year, since it's not supposed to get this cold again, at least for now. Thanks for watching again, guys.